Hello, so I'm Jake the Steak Roberts, and this is my first strawberry video. Sorry about the pineapples, they shouldn't be in here, but I have no hands or opposable thumbs of any kind, so I am not capable of cleaning up pineapples. They taste like shit, especially when you're mixing them with these delicious leaves. They have these weird red gross growths underneath them. My human is cutting them for me, as I've clearly instructed him to do. I will only eat the ones he's been chopped on. Chop them, human. Yes, yes, that's the way I like it. Yes, that one will do. Ew, caca, I don't want the red. I'm not hungry for the red. See, this one right here is damaged. I can't get the red off of it. Human, do something about this. There you go. No, that one has red on it. Sorry, buddy. There you go.